Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivian and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down my crochet braids. Yes, this is a crochet braid. It looks real, but it's not my hair, okay? It's time to let my natural hair breathe. So in here, I have water and conditioner. So I put a little bit, not really a little bit, like a generous amount of conditioner into the spray bottle, and next I add water and shake to mix the conditioner and the water together. So I freaking love, okay, this spray bottle. It's a continuous spray bottle, right? Let me just let you guys see. I just spray like that, you see, just hold, and then it's just like spray. Look at that. I bought it from what's the name of that store? I bought it from the tag is not here. What's the name of the store? I bought it in the States on my vacation. Oh my god, somebody help me out. Costco is the only name coming to my brain right now. Walmart. No, it's not Walmart. Is it Walmart? And also I have this right here, this detangling brush. I got some hairs in there, like coiled up. So I bought this this brush from the same store. I bought the spray bottle. Still can't remember the freaking name. So, and I also have a ratte comb and I also have a scissors. Also, I have some hair clips and hair bands to pin the hair out of the way. Alright guys, so I'm gonna jump right into the video, to the process of chopping up this crochet hair. And to start, I'm just gonna go ahead and push the front of the crochet hair back, all the way back, the crochet hair, and push my natural hair forward. Okay, so now I'm going to be chopping off this crochet hair. So I'm separating the roll because I'm going to be cutting it row by row. Just gonna separate the hair right here. So now I'm gonna take the scissors and start cutting. All right, trying to feel the cornrows and the knots on the crochet hair. Okay, just like that, feeling it. So as you can see, the knot, the knot is right here on the bottom. So I'm gonna cut above, a little bit above the knot. Just like that. So as you can see right there, I'm gonna do the same thing here. Just feeling for the knot, and gonna cut above it. Just like that. I'm done with the first row all the way around. So right here, I'm using these two fingers, right, to hold the rest of the hair out of the way. And my index finger and my thumb are free. So right here, I'm going in there to feel where the knot is on this very crochet hair. This is a single one right here. So the knot is down here. So I'm gonna move my finger a little bit away from where the knot is. So right there, I move my fingers away from the knot area, and I'm cutting it just like that. So now I'm going to be using the ratte comb, and I'm going to be undoing the knots. This step now is pretty much easy and quick too. It's already coming out even without using the ratte comb. So I just insert it into the knotted area and then pull to undo it, just like that. Oh my goodness, what's the name of the store? My brain, okay? My brain is not cooperating with me today. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna ask my husband.